Welcome to a journey into the vibrant and tantalizing world of Thai cuisine, an exotic symphony of flavors that dances on the palate. Thai food is a celebration of balance and harmony. Imagine a melody where no single note is overpowering, a harmony where each flavor complements and enhances the others. That's what Thai cuisine is all about. The magic of Thai food lies in the unique blend of four fundamental tastes: sweet, sour, salty, and spicy. Each dish is a finely tuned balance of these flavors, creating a culinary experience that is as complex as it is delightful. It's like a tightrope walk of taste, where each ingredient is carefully chosen and measured to maintain that perfect balance. The sweetness in Thai cuisine often comes from palm sugar or sweet fruits, providing a delectable contrast to the tangy sourness of tamarind or lime. The salty flavor, a signature taste in many Thai dishes, is derived from fish sauce or soy sauce. And let's not forget the spicy kick, the bold, fiery flavor that Thai food is renowned for, brought about by Thai chilies and peppercorns. But it's not just about these four tastes. Thai cuisine also boasts a wide array of aromatic ingredients that bring a depth and richness to every dish. Think of the creaminess of coconut milk, the citrusy tang of lemongrass, the earthy spice of galangal, and the sweet anise flavor of Thai basil. These ingredients, along with many others, form the foundation of Thai cuisine, adding layers of complexity to each dish. Thai food, in its essence, is a testament to the country's rich cultural heritage and diverse regional influences. It's a cuisine that invites you to explore, to experiment, and to savor. Each bite is a journey of discovery, a celebration of flavors that is at once familiar and exotic, comforting and adventurous. Now that we've whetted your appetite, it's time to dive into the cooking process. Before we start cooking, we need to prepare our kitchen and ingredients. An organized kitchen is not only visually appealing but also highly functional. It helps streamline the cooking process, making it efficient and enjoyable. When we talk about Thai cuisine, we are delving into a world of vibrant flavors. The ingredients are the stars of the show, and it's crucial to treat them with respect. From the aromatic lemongrass to the fiery bird's eye chili, each ingredient brings a unique note to the symphony of flavors that is Thai food. Now let's turn our attention to prepping our ingredients. Be it washing, chopping, or grating, each step is essential in unlocking the ingredient's full potential. Remember, the size and shape of your chopped ingredients can impact the texture and flavor of your dish. So take your time and chop with precision. With our kitchen ready and ingredients prepped, we can start cooking. The heart of many Thai meals is a good curry. Today we'll be making an authentic Thai green curry. Let's get started. The first step, as with many dishes, is to prepare our ingredients. We'll need green curry paste, coconut milk, chicken, Thai eggplants, kaffir lime leaves, Thai basil, and palm sugar. The harmony of these ingredients is what brings the curry to life. The curry paste is the backbone of the dish. It's a blend of green chilies, lemongrass, galangal, kaffir lime rind, cilantro roots, and a few other spices. All of these are pounded together into a fragrant paste. If you're crunched for time, store-bought paste can work, but making your own adds a depth of flavor that's hard to match. Next, we're going to heat a dollop of the paste in a wok with a little coconut milk. This process, called blooming, releases the aromatics in the paste and enhances their flavors. It's a small step, but it makes a big difference. Once the paste is fragrant, we add our chicken. We want to get it coated in the paste and let it sear a bit to lock in the flavor. Then we add the rest of the coconut milk along with the Thai eggplants. These little eggplants are a traditional ingredient, and they add a delightful texture to the curry. Now it's time for the kaffir lime leaves, Thai basil, and palm sugar. The lime leaves lend a unique citrusy aroma, the basil adds freshness, and the palm sugar balances out the spice with a hint of sweetness. Finally, we let everything simmer together. This is where the magic happens. The flavors meld and intensify, creating a dish that's greater than the sum of its parts. The result? A curry that's creamy, spicy, sweet, and utterly delicious. And there you have it, a delicious Thai green curry, but we're not done yet. Next up, we're going to learn the secrets of a great Thai stir-fry. Now, the magic of a Thai stir-fry lies in the balance of flavors and the quick, high-heat cooking. This method seals in the flavors, giving your stir-fry that beautiful, smoky aroma that's synonymous with street food in Thailand. First off, let's talk ingredients. The beauty of a Thai stir-fry is its versatility. You can use a variety of proteins, chicken, beef, shrimp, or tofu for our vegetarian friends. The vegetables are also interchangeable, but some common ones include bell peppers, snow peas, and baby corn. The soul of any stir-fry, however, is the sauce. A typical Thai stir-fry sauce includes oyster sauce, fish sauce, and soy sauce. Now, each of these ingredients contributes a unique flavor profile. The oyster sauce brings a sweet, savory element, the fish sauce adds that umami punch, and the soy sauce provides a rich, salty depth. Now, on to the cooking. Remember, high heat is key. Get your wok or pan smoking hot before you add your oil. Then in goes your protein. Cook it until it's just done and remove it from the pan. This prevents overcooking when we add it back later. Next up, the veggies. They're stir-fried until just tender. Remember, we want them to retain a bit of crunch. After that, it's time for the sauce. It's added to the pan and cooked until it starts to thicken and bubble. Finally, the protein is added back into the pan. Everything is tossed together, allowing the ingredients to get well coated with the sauce. A dash of sugar and a squeeze of lime juice are added at the end. Why? Because in Thai cuisine, we're all about balance. The sugar cuts through the saltiness and the lime juice adds a refreshing tang that elevates the whole dish. And that's how you make a mouth-watering Thai stir-fry. Remember, the key is to balance your flavors and keep that pan hot, so get out there and start stir-frying. No Thai meal is complete without a sweet ending. Today we'll be making a classic Thai dessert, mango sticky rice. Whisking you away to the tropical paradise of Thailand, we're diving into the delightful world of Thai desserts. Mango sticky rice is a beloved Thai dessert, combining the richness of ripe mangoes with the comforting texture of sticky rice and the sweet embrace of coconut sauce. It's a symphony of flavors that hits all the right notes. Our adventure begins with the star of the show, the mango. The quality of the mango can make or break this dessert. It should be ripe but not overly so, exuding a sweet aroma and a juicy, tender texture. Use the Atalfo or Nam Dok Mai variety if possible, as these are the traditional choices for this dish. Next, let's talk rice. The sticky rice comes from a specific type of rice called glutinous rice. Despite the name, there's no gluten here. It's named for its sticky, glue-like texture when cooked. Soaking the rice overnight is a crucial step, allowing it to absorb water and achieve that signature soft and sticky texture. Now, onto the sweet coconut sauce. This is where the magic happens. It's a simple mix of coconut milk, sugar, and a pinch of salt, simmered until it thickens slightly. This sauce is then poured over the cooked rice, infusing it with coconutty goodness. To assemble the dessert, place a mound of sticky rice on a plate, lay slices of ripe mango beside it, and drizzle the sweet coconut sauce all over. Some like to sprinkle toasted sesame seeds or mung beans for a bit of crunch, but that's completely optional. The result? A dessert that's the epitome of Thai cuisine, simple in its ingredients, yet complex in its flavors. With this dessert, we've put the perfect end to our Thai meal. It's been a flavorful journey, and we hope you've enjoyed every bite. So, the next time you're craving something sweet, remember this Thai classic, because after all, every good meal deserves a sweet ending. So, there you have it, a complete Thai meal, made right in your own kitchen. We've embarked on a culinary journey together, from setting up our cooking space to dishing out an authentic Thai dessert. We started with the heart of Thai cuisine, the curry, where we learned to balance flavors and spice levels to perfection. Next, we mastered the art of Thai stir-fry, a dish that truly epitomizes the essence of quick, delicious, and nutritious meals. And lastly, we ended our adventure on a sweet note with a Thai dessert, a testament to how Thai cuisine can surprise and delight your taste buds in every course. Remember, the magic of Thai cooking lies in the balance, the harmonious blend of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy that makes every dish a symphony of flavors. It's not just about following recipes, it's about understanding and feeling the food. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. We hope you've enjoyed learning about Thai cuisine as much as we've enjoyed sharing it with you.